Hello, this is Technology Channel and I am Malik Muhammad Mehran. As you already know, on Technology Channel you may find different solutions of technological problems and also about research and also about different fields of knowledge. So this video is about Zoom. What is Zoom? Many of us know about Zoom, but many of us don't know about Zoom. Zoom is an app for Windows and for Android also. This is used for online communication, video communication, audio communication. We can also share our desktop on it. We can use whiteboard on it for writing, and that means this application is very useful for tutoring purpose, for education purpose, as in pandemic area this is need of every institution and every teacher. To download this app on mobile or on desktop PC, you have to go on zoom.us. Going on this website, you have to sign up here, or if you have already signed in or log in name or password, so you can sign in here. So I have this, I am going to sign in here. So friends, I am signed in website. So you can see a new interface. In this interface you may check your profile, edit your profile. You can check your meetings, scheduled meetings are mentioned here, previous meetings, personal room, meeting templates. So you can start webinars here, webinars tab here. You can see recordings here, like I am clicking on recording. What is local recording, cloud recording? So here are settings about meeting, recording, telephone, etc. Here you may see that admin, user management, room management, account management, advanced. Here you can click to join a meeting, schedule a meeting, host a meeting. So if we go here to join a meeting, you see that join a meeting, you must have meeting ID or personal link name. You may get this ID and this personal link name from your partner who is going to conduct a Zoom meeting. While hosting a meeting, there are several options we have: with video off, with video on, screen share only. These are options that we use for displaying on screen. We can configure the screen that would be displayed to our partners or our friends. Here you may schedule a meeting, like you have to fill and select these options. So I have already installed and downloaded app about Zoom. This is the website interface. This is not interface of the app. I am going to show you the interface of Zoom app on Windows 8. Friends, now on screen you are watching the graphical interface of the application that I have installed on my Windows 8.1. So here sign in options are here. Enter your email and password, then sign in. You may sign in with Facebook, with your Google account, sign in with SSO. If you don't have this information, then you may sign up here to create your login or sign in. When I clicked on back button here, so main interface of Zoom Cloud Meeting is displayed. For here you can sign in like another sign in. This interface I have discussed, so you can join a already meeting that is going on by pressing this button, join a meeting. So you must have a meeting ID and your name, with which name you want to enter into that particular meeting. You may check this in different options like remember my name for future meetings, don't connect to audio, turn off my video. So we can check or uncheck according to our need. As on screen you are watching that I am logged in Zoom app. So here are different options. We have new meeting, join meeting, schedule meeting, share screen. During meeting you can avail the chat option, means during your video meeting you can also type chats for your friends, for your students, for your fellows. So here you, through contacts, you may select the persons whom you want to enter in this meeting. So here if I press, so this is interface showing new meeting. You are using computer video, so this interface will show during meeting. So we can control this by muting the voice, muting audio. We can stop the video. These are the security options. These are the participants of the meeting showing here. So still I am only participant of this meeting, so other participants are not showing. Here chat option is also displaying. We can see this here. We can type anything like blah blah blah. So this is showing here. This is going to everyone. If you wanna select any particular member, so here a list will be shown about the members with member name. So you can select that particular person. That chat message will be delivered to particular person. Here you may share any file in this chat group. So here are reactions available that you may use. If you want to record this meeting, so you may avail this option on this computer. If you gonna end this meeting, so click on ending for all. If you want to end this meeting for all members, then click this option, meeting will be ended. If you don't wanna end it for all users, only you wanna leave, so leave meeting. I want to click on end meeting for all. So we are now on the back interface where we have started. This is time displaying here. This is date. So there is no scheduled meeting next. So I hope you would like my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Till next video, Allah Hafiz.